Hey fighters, boxers, all you Cobra Bag users, got a few combinations to start you off. First combo, you want to parry outside of the striker and follow it up with your counter. This combo gonna help you react and strike back. I'm gonna mind you, do it slow to start off with, and then when you get comfortable, go for it. Tap the bag so it goes back and forth, and then when it comes back to you, parry it and then strike at it. Remember to practice parrying and striking with both hands. This should help you being orthodox. This combo should help you doubling your shots followed by a single shot. Whatever you do, practice doubling with both sides. Get comfortable with hooking with both hands. This will help you to correct your hooks.